Welcome everyone to Angel's Cooking! Honey bourbon chicken! First, we cook the chicken. Two tablespoons of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of garlic. This is the yummy garlic. We put in a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. A 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We put a 1/4 cup of apple juice, and apple juice is my favorite juice in the world. A 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and here is the brown sugar. We put in 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Here's the ketchup. You only have a little bit left. Look at that beauty. It looks like red lipstick. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can use whatever vinegar you like. We used a 1/2 cup of water. We put a 1/3 cup of soy sauce. This is the soy sauce. Be very careful with glass, because if you drop it, little glass pieces are going to be so tiny that you'll have to glue them back together, but that would be so tricky. Jamie, I can't stop. So you might want to ask an adult and your brother to help, or your grandparents, but don't do that. Glass is expensive. You put all the ingredients, you mix it up. Get a parent to help, because fire is very, very hot. It can burn your finger off, so be careful with fire. Put the stove on medium heat. That food was amazing. That's my videos. Thumbs up